Hey guys, you can see me in the corner of your screen. This is a new format that I'm trying out. So the idea is that I will narrate my ride. I will tell you a bit more about my experience instead of subtitles, which work sometime, but I think this kind of a format will be good as well. So this is me riding from Calgary to Airdrie, and the trip is 3 days. The first day is to Drumheller. I spend the night at the campground. The second day I ride to Vulcan. I spend the night at the campground as well. And third day I ride back to Calgary. All right, let's go. Welcome to Irricana. That's my second time in this town. And it's a perfect place to make a stop. Alright, you can see the Beiseker is 1 kilometer away, but I'm not making a stop here. I'm just driving past by it. But I did stop there last September in a campground. So the campground was almost perfect, like the amenities, the places to put my tent. It was really good, but the train noise, it was killing me. I was in my AirPods, but still, the sleep was terrible. So I don't know. You can try it out, but I would probably not suggest it. And Irricana does have a campground as well. And this is me. I'm making a stop in the village of Acme. I hope I'm pronounced it correctly. It's a really nice small village. Has a grocery store. So yeah. This is probably a bad choice, but I just like it so much during my bike rides. Cheers. my knee hurts. I don't know what happened, just can't ride at all. This sucks. I mean, at least I made it to Drumheller, but I couldn't realize all my plans. But it is what it is. Maybe I can walk to some of the campgrounds, spend the night, and see you the next day. How I feel, I'll see. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm pedaling just using one leg, which is a nice idea. So at least I make it to Tim Hortons, so I'll have a rest, like for 30 minutes at least, right? And I'll see, maybe I will feel a bit better. So just to see if I can make it to the campground. Okay, now I will rest for like 30 minutes. I will see how my leg is doing, and I'll decide. I'll see what's next. Like I made it. Feels good. I feel something in my knee, but it's better. It's better. I can ride, so that's good. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be even better. But yeah, let me install my tent, pay for my camping site, and yeah, have a good night. So this is a Rosedale community campground. I really loved it. $20. It's quiet. It has a water closet. It doesn't have showers, right? But it was still nice, clean. It had a potable water pump. So, like, let's go. place to have a rest. I didn't expect Rosebud to be this pretty, this I mean, it feels unique. Such a nice village or town. I'm really glad that I'm making a stop here. This felt like eternity. So I made 66 kilometers so far, and even though I feel good, like sometimes I feel like just teeny tiny ticks, I don't know how to call it, in my knee, right? So I think it's for the best to complete my route today. I think I will go to Strathmore and I'll be home today. Let's hit the road. It's gonna be 35 kilometers until Strathmore. The wind is coming from south and Strathmore in the west, so it's not gonna bother me that much. Alright, let's go. This is how I felt, actually. The headwind was killing me. It was so strong. I don't know, I was going 10 kilometers per hour probably, but it was fun. Here sometime soon, 8:40. It's not your fault, it's just this freaking wind. Oh, shit. The wind is just, it was killing me. It was like 30 kilometers per hour with wind gusts up to 55. It was just into my face. It was the headwind. It was coming from south and I was going south, and then I went west, and the wind became southwest, so like it was pushing me to the side, and plus I was feeling it kind of like headwind as well. Right now it's 8:50 p.m. I did 102 kilometers. My average speed is 14 kilometers per hour. I mean, given the conditions, this is fine, and not forgetting my knee, right? I'm really surprised and I'm really grateful to the universe that it's like it's fine. It's like the knee is not telling me like, hey man, you need to stop. No, nothing. The knee is fine. I don't know what happened yesterday. So yeah, my lovely wifey will pick me up in the spot on the Trans-Canadian Highway. Anyways, that was a good experience. Thank you for staying with me, guys. I appreciate your activity, and until the next time, bye.